There's a revolution happening in the nut milk world, and the rebel is oat milk. Have you tried Oatly? I'm obsessed. I buy it by the cases, and when I run out, I go to the coffee shop and ask them to give me a cup of steamed oat milk. But it's just getting so expensive. So I found a super cheap homemade alternative to the creamiest, most delicious oat milk you could ever make. And the secret to it is the kind of oats that you use. Welcome to the Breakfast Criminal's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my oat milk. It's not like other oat milk recipes. I love its creamy consistency. I love its sweet flavor. It's more sustainable than your usual almond milk. All you're going to need is FLAHAVAN'S Irish oats. There's something about using Irish oats that makes the texture more creamy. And the reason I love this brand is because it's sustainably milled. They're non-GMO. Irish oats are also rich in beta-glucan, fiber-type complex sugar that is incredible for your gut health. Water, I'm using filtered water, a nut milk bag to strain the oats, and some sea salt. The sea salt is going to bring out the sweetness of the oats, and a sweetener of your choice. You can soak a couple of dates and use that. You can also use honey. My favorite is Manuka honey, or you can use date syrup, which is what I'm using today. Other options are maple syrup, monk fruit, or coconut sugar. One more thing you're going to need is a blender. Most recipes will tell you to simply take the oats and blend them with water. The reason why I love soaking them, one, both your oats and your oat milk will be way more creamy. And number two, soaking the oats breaks down the starches and activates the oats' own phytic acid. Simply said, soaking your oats makes them way better for your digestion. Technically, at this point, your oat milk is ready. But if you want to take it to the next level, you can blend it once again, this time with sweetener of your choice. Another thing you can add is a tablespoon of coconut flakes to give it a nice coconutty finish and even more creamy texture. Your other option, blend it with your favorite turmeric powder so that you have turmeric milk ready to go in your fridge. Blend it with beet powder or matcha, keep it in the fridge, and you have iced lattes of all kinds on the go. The milk ends up being so nutritious. Anything you cook with it, or if you make a drink with it, it actually ends up making you full longer. In the next video, I will show you how to make a raw oat porridge with maca.